I have a patient who's also who's a pastor and also a retired veteran. Every time he comes in, we share a story about Area 51. I've had the privilege of knowing him and treating him now for the past 4 years or so. I remember the first time I ever evaluated him in clinic. He was looking at the spine models that we had and they kept slipping out of his hand. And during my evaluation of him, we determined that it was his cervical spinal cord that was being compressed. And ultimately, he needed surgery to decompress that after conservative treatment had failed. I remember when he came back post-operatively in the pre-COVID post-operative evaluation, I could immediately tell that his weakness had significantly improved. And at this point, I see him every year, not because I need to, but because we shares a special bond, that he comes in yearly to share how he's doing, and I truly enjoy seeing him and talking with him every year. I would go so far as to say that at this point, he's more of a friend than a patient. My philosophy is one of combined decision making. I do not believe in the paternal school of thought regarding medicine. The patient should be front and center in that process, and they should be guiding their care with our help. That is our strength here at Atlas Neurosurgery: individualized treatment and care. We treat patients with a whole host of surgical and non-surgical conditions of the brain and spine. I specifically specialize in spine surgery, where I spend a significant amount of my time dealing with ailments such as back pain, neck pain, pinched nerves, spine tumors, brain tumors, and traumatic injuries to the brain and spine, in addition to neuromodulation. I do not think that patients are ever truly discharged from Atlas. You join the Atlas family. Even now, most of my patients will come back on a yearly basis to update me on how they're doing, and if it's not them, it will be their family members, their friends, their colleagues, their co-workers and acquaintances who will update me on how they're doing. When you come to Atlas, you're joining our family, and we're joining yours. Not only for the small part of your treatment, but ideally for life.